Here's a quick video on how to safely change the blade in your IRWIN fixed utility drywall knife. All you need to do this is your knife. You'll need a new set of razor blades. Lately I've been using the Milwaukee brand. They seem like they've been staying sharp for a long time for me. And you'll also need a screwdriver. You can either use a flathead or a Phillips head. I'll have a link for all this in the description below if you need any of it. So on this fixed utility knife, you'll see that on the side here, there is a screw that you can kind of back out, going counterclockwise, which will separate the housing here. Now inside is your razor blade, so you can either take it, pop it out, and flip it over if your fresh side's still good on the other side, or you can take your new razor blade and slot it in like this. Now take your other half of your shell here, line it back up, take your screw, tighten it back down, and you're all set. If there's any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If not, leave a thumbs up. Thanks.